How to vacuum seal mason jars using the A100 vacuum sealer. What you'll need for a quart-sized mason jar, you will need the Avid Armor vacuum canister, the largest one out of our 3-piece vacuum canister set. Also, you'll need your vacuum hose that came with the machine or with your canister set. To start, you're going to take your mason jar and you're going to put the lid on, and then you're going to lightly screw on the ring. Then you will place the mason jar inside of the vacuum canister. Place the lid on the canister. Insert your hose to the lid and also to the accessory port. Twisting it in to get the best fit. Make sure your dial is rotated to seal. And then you'll go ahead and press the accessory button and it will vacuum seal the entire canister. And at the same time, it's going to vacuum seal your mason jar. Once it's complete, you can go ahead and remove your hose. And then now you'll see that the lid to the canister is vacuum sealed. So we'll go ahead and rotate it to open. You'll hear that vacuum release. You'll remove your mason jar. The ring will still be loose, but as you'll notice, the clicking is gone because that is vacuum sealed. So let's just go ahead, tighten that ring, and your jar is now vacuum sealed.